Hey guys, what's going on? Patrick Tatton here. So I have a bunch of cedars behind me here today, and they all have to come down. Okay, especially this big one, the pride and joy back here. However, we have peach and pear trees behind me. We can't hit those, and it's leaning in a way that I'm not real super confident it's going to go exactly where I want it, so we'll have to see. But right now I have my Craftsman and my Husqvarna. I'm going to use my little Craftsman 46cc to do some limbing and prep the area, and then go to work on the big trees, taking them down. So look, my wedge, okay, broke off. Cut it out, withdrew as the tree was falling, and here she is. You hear it on the side of Correctus. I got those previous pines out of the way, and it's a sweet thing. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. This is a successful backyard adventure on Virginia farms. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and also let me know what I could do to improve. You know, we all improve going on YouTube and watching other people, right? Other than the pros, but it's pretty sweet when it's finally on the ground, you know? All right, you guys. Love you. See you soon.